Hey guys, this is Koàn-seng. In my last video, we talked about ò-giô, the best food ever appeared in my life. Today, we're talking about the best beverage you can get on the planet Earth. Bubble tea. Or in my language, hun-i gu-ni te. Hun-i for the bubbles, gu-ni for milk, and te for tea. Bubble tea. One of the most important inventions in the human history was first created in the 80s in Taiwan. Back in that time, black tea shops were quite common in the cities. When coffee shops were not so common in Taiwan, people hang out in tea shops. After some of the shop owners imported sealers, bubble tea are getting even more popular since they can be taken out. Bubble tea stands started to grow everywhere. More and more brands, more and more items. Bubble tea has become a part of our daily life. So what are those black bubbles? The bubbles are called hun-i. Hun means powder, i means ball. Hun-i are made of tapioca, and they are made into tiny little balls. They're actually transparent after being boiled, but they are usually boiled with brown sugar, which gives them a dark brown color since it sweetens them and give a nice flavor. By the way, in my language, brown sugar is actually black sugar. We call them ò-teng. Ò means black and teng means sugar or candy. Now you know what the bubbles are, and I got great news for you. There's way more things you can add into your drink besides hun-i. We got ò-giô, ò-i, tao hui, hun-giô, sen-cao, atsuki bean, mashed taro, aloe, pudding, agar, coconut jelly, coffee jelly, ice cream, and more. But hey, are these all called hun-i gu-ni te? I thought hun-i are the bubbles and gu-ni te is milk tea. Yes, you're right. These are actually called qiu-chiek te. Qiu means hand. Chiek is to shake something. Te is tea. Because the making of these beverages usually involves shaking. Besides the options of toppings you can add into your drink, you also get to decide the amount of ice and sugar added into it. Usually, you may choose from regular ice, less ice, light ice, to no ice. As for sugar, it's 100%, 70%, 50%, 30%, or no sugar. People seldom have 100% sugar unless they want to get diabetes. And in some stores, they don't even give you the options more than 50% sugar. That's pretty much for today. If you haven't tried qiu-chiek te before, please give it a try. I've heard that you could find them all over the world nowadays. And if you have already tried one, why not leave a comment and share about your favorite beverage with us? I like bubble milk tea with pudding. 100% sugar, no ice. By the way, please subscribe so you're not missing any of my vids or streams. This is Koàn-seng. Stay incredible and see you in my next video.